Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai. Alright, uh, we'll focus on front-end technologies involved. We'll discuss what are the technologies and what they basically do and how we can design pages using them, right? Alright, so we basically have the very first technology is HTML, it is hypertext markup language. So it is all about designing the structure of pages. What is the page? Web pages. So whatever we see on web browsers, that is like Google Chrome or Opera, Microsoft Edge, anything, right? Safari, etc. So whatever we see on the browsers, they are nothing but our uh, web pages. All right, so we can view the page source also, where if you right click on the browser and on the page of the browser, and you will be able to see an option called as view page source. There you, if you select that, you will be able to find HTML code, right? So because every software, there is need of HTML for sure. Without this, we cannot design the front-end component. All right. Now coming to CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it actually helps us to style the websites. All right. So the borders we add, the fonts we use, the colors we apply, etc. Everything is designed by CSS, and it's actually not mandatory to use CSS, but uh, if you want to ensure that your software, your web pages for your software looks more impressive for the end users, right? So as all the modern websites do, so we must use, in fact, cascading style sheets. All right, it is all about designing. And now the other one is JavaScript. So JavaScript actually helps us to add interactions to the websites, meaning we add some logics. All right, so where it takes some decision making. So based on this only, the interactions will be enabled, right? So it is all about a website. If it does not use JavaScript, meaning those websites are static, because there will be no interactions. All right, that's it. Yes guys, thank you so much for your time. So we'll get back to a video with backend technologies, yeah, later. Thank you.